We're going to show you how to install an E46 trans brace in 3 or 4 easy steps. Step 1, lift your E46 up safely. Step 2, put a little bit of tension on the trans very lightly. So that way you can remove the trans brace slowly. So I'm just literally putting it, applying almost no pressure on it right there. Step 3, get a chugga 13 millimeter. So all you're gonna do is loosen the transmission bushings, which are 13 millimeters. And then you're also gonna loosen the 4 bolts holding up this trans brace. And that's pretty much it. So let's do it. Once those are loose and your jack is holding tension on the motor, remove these bolts. Maybe do it safer than that. Take a new gargistic trans brace, just like so. And I'm going to put those bolts in just like we did, but keep them a little bit loose. Then we'll pop the trans bushings in. Now with the trans brace kind of loose like that, this is a good time to put the transmission bushings in. Now, it's an excellent time to upgrade to the gargistic poly transmission bushings. They're a lot easier to install too. So I'm just gonna let them rest like that. Putting that bolt up from the top makes it a lot easier. Now with all the bolts in place and loose, you can start to tighten everything down and make sure it's all the torque spec. Whoever's editing this video, be a good time to put some arrows with the torque specs right now. And there you have it, all done. Now you'll never have to worry about trans braces, you know, the cast part break and everything like that. So if it's like factory, that's because it's based off a factory scan.